We are pleased to show you the 2022 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.